So the purpose of this video is to provide a demonstration of the Ionic Edit Object sample application that I've published to GitHub. In many Ionic applications, whenever you have like a settings page or an edit page to edit a data object, what traditionally happens is you click on a button or something to edit a particular element, and then whatever changes you make when you hit the back button are automatically reflected in the app UI. But especially for preferences and in some cases for any other type of editing a data object, you don't want to automatically accept the user's changes. You want the user to have the ability to discard those changes and revert to the data object back to its original value. And that's really why I made this particular project, because I was trying to solve this problem many years ago and couldn't find a solution, and the folks at Ionic helped me sort it out, but I really still have never seen documentation of how to solve this problem, so I thought I would make this to help you figure this out. So the idea is that you want to have an edit dialog where you can make some changes to a document, and then when you hit cancel, those changes don't come back. But then when you hit the save button, or hit the done button in this case, that value comes back to the data object. Basically what happens is Ionic automatically sets up observers and so on to look for any changes in that data object, and so there's no way to really intercept that, or there's no way to really turn that off. And with this particular sample, what I've done is I clone the data object before I present that second dialog, and then when the user hits the cancel button, I just pop the page off the stack and return to the home page. But if the user clicks the done button, then I actually write the properties from that cloned value back to the original object, and then Ionic takes care of automatically updating the UI. So I hope this is helpful, and enjoy the code.